Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a quick one for you, Chef's Choice Hybrid Knife Sharpener. This knife sharpener is epic. I've had this one like 5 years. They now have one, I'll put a link in the description, that's an updated, it's basically the exact same thing as this. Cheap, easy to use, let's get at it. Here's what you're gonna do. Number one, you're gonna go left, right, do it twice, kind of slow. I'll show you how to do it. And then we'll do number two, the same thing, and then this one just takes the burr off. All right, here's what we do. Same thing on number two. Nice, kind of slow, steady pace. Just kind of go back and forth like this once or twice and it takes that burr off. All right, let's try it out. There you go, my friends. Cuts right through the paper. You can use serrated knives for this, but this is typically the 5 or 6 knives that I sharpen here. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.